Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today is day 5 of the 1500 calories diet plan. Today our breakfast is going to be oats pancake and the approximate calories of the breakfast is 205. Now let us see how to prepare it. For the recipe I am going to take 1 cup of oats and this is for serving 2 persons. Transfer this into a mixie jar and powder it as fine as possible. Our oats powder is ready, set this aside. We need 1 banana and this will give you enough sweetness for the recipe. Chop and add the banana into the mixie jar. To this let us add a cup of milk. The milk is already boiled and warmed. Let us grind this into a fine paste. Our milk banana mix is ready and the oats powder is also ready. Now transfer the oats powder into the milk banana paste. To this add half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Let us grind this, we will be getting a thick batter. Our batter is ready, let us transfer this into another bowl. The batter has to be thick, it has to be like this. Now let us start preparing our pancakes. Pour some batter on a hot tawa. Don't spread the batter, it has to be thick. One side is ready, let us flip it. The pancake is ready, let us take it out. We are going to take 2 such pancakes for the breakfast. 2 oats pancakes has approximately 6.7 grams of proteins, 10.8 grams of fats, 20.7 grams of carbohydrates and 3 grams of fiber. During snack time, we are going to have 2 glasses of ginger water. This doesn't have much calories, this is around 1 calorie. So let us move on and prepare the ginger water. You need a small piece of ginger, this much. You have to remove the skin and grate this. Let us transfer this into a bowl. You have to add around 2 cups of water. Keep it on the flame and boil this in medium flame for about 10 minutes. So here the ginger water is ready. Allow it to cool down and transfer this into a glass. You have to take 2 glasses of ginger water and if it is okay for you, you can have the ginger too. This water is very good for removing toxins in your body, so you can have this often. The ginger water doesn't have any proteins and fats and it has a meager amount of carbohydrates and fiber. Moving on to the lunch, it is going to be rotis with little curry and a banana. Our lunch is going to be approximately 386 calories. It has 2 wheat rotis, 1 cup of snake gut curry and a small banana. For the wheat roti or the chapati, you have to refer the day 1 video. Now let us move on and do our snake gut curry. For the curry, take a tablespoon of split chickpeas and you have to soak it in water for about half an hour. Add the soaked dal into the pressure cooker. Along with this, we are going to add a quarter cup of split green gram, half a cup of water, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and the required amount of salt. Pressure cook this for 2 to 3 whistles. Now take a mixie jar, add half a cup of chopped coconut, 2 green chilies, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 10 to 12 shallots or quarter of an onion, and you have to grind this into a fine paste. Add a little water and grind it into a fine paste like this. Now take a medium-sized snake guard, peel the skin and chop it into pieces. So here the snake guard is ready. Now take a pan, add some oil in it. To this add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of split black gram. Let the mustards pop. Once the mustard starts popping, you can add few curry leaves, a quarter teaspoon of asafoetida, and the chopped snake guard. Saute this for few minutes. Add the required amount of salt and the prepared masala. Add around half a cup of water along with this. We are going to cook this until the snake guard turns soft. This is ready. Let us add the cooked dal. Let us close and cook this in low to medium flame for another 5 minutes. This is ready now. As a finishing touch, let us add few chopped coriander leaves. So here the snake guard curry is ready. We are going to take 1 cup of it. So our lunch is going to be 1 cup of snake guard curry, 2 chapatis or wheat rotis, and 1 small banana. This banana is Kerala banana. If you want, you can use any other variety, but just calculate the calories. Our 2 wheat rotis has 6.1 grams of proteins, 0.9 grams of fats, 34.7 grams of carbohydrates, and 5.3 grams of fiber. 1 cup of snake guard curry approximately has 7.9 grams of proteins, 3.4 grams of fats, 24.7 grams of carbohydrates, and 5.7 grams of fiber. The small size Kerala banana has approximately 0.6 grams of proteins, 0.1 grams of fats, 12.8 grams of carbohydrates, and 0.8 grams of fiber. Moving on to our evening snacks, it is going to be approximately 107 calories. And we are going to have 1 full apple with the skin peeled. 1 apple has 0.4 grams of protein, 0.9 grams of fats, 24.4 grams of carbohydrates, and 5.8 grams of fiber. Moving on to the dinner, it is going to be rotis and sambar. If you don't want to take rotis again, you can go for 2 medium-sized dosas or 3 small idlis. But dosas and idlis will definitely have more calories than this roti. The approximate calorie of our dinner is going to be 362, and we are going to take 2 wheat rotis and 1 cup of sambar. You have to refer the day 1 video for preparing the sambar. Our 2 wheat rotis has 6.1 grams of protein, 0.9 grams of fats, 34.7 grams of carbohydrates, and 5.3 grams of fiber. 1 cup of sambar has 9.4 grams of proteins, 5.2 grams of fats, 26.8 grams of carbohydrates, and 5.8 grams of fiber. Today we have successfully taken within the targeted calories, that is 1500. The total calories intake for today is approximately 1061, and it is much less than 1500. On the other side, we have taken all the essential nutrients properly, so it is a success today. And don't forget, if you want to lose more weight quickly, you have to be physically active. You can either do exercises, or if you can't do any exercises, just go for a walk for 30 to 45 minutes, that will do. One more essential thing for your body is water, so you have to drink plenty of water in order to lose weight. Day 5 is over. Hope you followed the diet. Meet you on day 6, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.